The haunting sci-fi warning of Black Mirror have officially materialized right inside our living spaces. Robotics pioneer UB Tech has shattered all commercial standards by launching the U-World U1, the world's first full-size ultra-bionic humanoid robot built directly for mass production. This machine is specifically engineered to utilize 3D facial reconstruction and voice print identity replication to perfectly clone the appearance and vocal pattern of any designated individual. Watch until the absolute end because this massive convergence of emotional intelligence and advanced silicon is running on autopilot. The global humanoid landscape has experienced its most profound paradigm shift during UBTech's global event in Shenzhen with the commercial unveiling of the UWorld U1 series. While typical tech foundries focus humanoid entirely on structured industrial operations, UBTech is aggressively expanding into internal domestic spaces, elder care, and proactive emotional support, featuring highly advanced biomimetic skin like visual focal points and synchronized linking loops. The hardware architecture is built to humanize artificial systems, boasting over 13,361 secure retail pre-orders on its launch date. This deployment moves humanoid adoption from isolated testing labs straight into a multi-billion-dollar consumer market. The most controversial element of the UWorld architecture is its capability to recreate missing relatives, distant family members, or deceased loved ones through high fidelity synthetic replication. Operating on the world's first emotion-aware large language model for long-term companionship, the system dynamically analyzes more than 20 fine-grained human emotional variants with an accuracy metric exceeding 90%. It integrates a unique fast and slow brain processing topology where the edge localized fast brain manages reactive conversational responses within 500 millisecond window, maintaining fluid verbal delivery and avoiding lag status. This is tightly paired with a 20 millisecond speech to lip synchronization latency to systematically eliminate the uncanny valley effect. Simultaneously, UBTech is scaling its enterprise hardware by deploying the specialized Volker S2 humanoid line across the hypercritical Fengcheng border checkpoint along the China-Vietnam transit corridor under a strategic public infrastructure procurement contract value at roughly 40 million USD. These industrial-grade humanoids are actively managing crowd flows, answering localized customs documentation queries, and inspecting massive shipping containers. Equipped with internal optical scanners, they read industrial manifests, crack container registration profiles and seamlessly validate logistics data point directly against central custom database. While your target psychological consumer layer, the Walker S2 is fortifying sovereign national borders and high volume trade hubs. However, this double-pronged hardware scaling introduces massive psychological and systemic trust anxieties when an integrated mechanical platform continuously charts localized environmental metrics, biometric facial patterns, and historical family dialogue. Data security becomes an absolute operational bottleneck. UBTech states that with over 90 million adults living alone in China, synthetic companionship serves a critical therapeutic role for vulnerable groups. Yet, global tech analysis warn that replacing human interaction with automated mechanical look-alikes risks creating severe psychological dependencies, blurring the boundaries between authentic human relationships and highly corporate synthetic simultaneation. This leaves us standing at a historic systemic crossroad. Will these ultra bionic replicas provide genuine relief to a lonely world, or are they an ultimate demonstration of power in the ongoing global tech race, forever changing the fabric of human society? Drop your expert analysis in the comment section below. For more high velocity, deeply analytical breakdowns of advanced robotics architectures and global technology shifts, keep your system logged to this note. Subscribe to AI Revolution, smash that like button, and turn on our notifications to join our elite journey. Join the frontier of AI Revolution.